How to order multi-aperture frames and mounts. Click the green button to select the number of apertures across and down. Once the correct layout has been selected, enter the size for each aperture. If all apertures are the same size, tick the same size box so you only need to enter the size once. Click the Update button to confirm changes. Select the oval option if you want an oval aperture. You can also have a title box aperture cut if required. Select the option and enter the required size. Select a single or double mount before selecting the mount colors. The width of the top and bottom mount can be changed as required. The default gap is set to 50% of the top border width. You can change this by unselecting the default gap option first. You can opt to have the aperture cut to the exact size by selecting the exact size option. We have around 500 different frame styles to choose from. Select from the different color categories and use the sort option until you find a suitable frame. Click on the frame image and watch the visualization update. More detailed images, including 360-degree, spin photos and profile diagrams, are available once you have selected a frame. Different glazing options can be selected to suit your requirements and budget. Click the information icon to view details about each glazing type. Colored backing board and any optional extras can also be selected as required. The full specification of the design updates as you make changes. Please ensure you check everything is correct in the Review tab before adding the item to your basket.